Hello, good evening. Good evening, Tom. Hello, hello. Can you hear teacher? Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Tom, and welcome to our class for today. So, how are you today?
I'm finding you and you.
Wow, very good. I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking. Good job. And did you already eat your dinner, Tom?
That
Yes, wow, that's good to know. What did you eat for dinner? Did you eat vegetables, rice and chicken?
that I am.
Oh, yes, I am very good. Oh, there is Ken. Hello, good evening, Ken. Good evening, and welcome again to our class. Hello.
Si Tiger. O di, ko na
Uh,
lang mahitog siya nun.
Hello, good evening, Tom. I
Hello,
can.
teacher.
Good evening. Welcome again to our class for today. How are you?
How are you? I'm six. I'm fine.
I'm six. I'm fine.
I'm
Thank
fine.
you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good.
Con có khỏe không?
Did you already eat your dinner, Kian?
Dạ.
Did you already eat?
Cô đang hỏi. Yeah.
Yes. Wow, yes. That's good to know. Okay. So now, are you both ready for our lesson for today?
Gia đình này đi.
Ready,
Yeah.
ready? Yes, I'm ready. So let's say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so we are close to finishing our lesson, and after that, we will play bamboozle. Okay, we will play bamboozle.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, so let's read the thing that we have here, or the sentence. Let's say, is she tired?
Is she tired?
Okay, one more time. Tired,
Tired.
not taken. Let's say tired, tired.
Tired.
Okay, very good, Tom. Tired. Tired, tired, tired.
Tired. Tired. Tired.
Okay, let's see.
Tired.
Very good, Tom.
Tired.
How about Ken? Let's see. Tired. Is
Tired.
she tired?
Tired. Tired.
Okay, very good. So, yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Okay, very good. So, again, Tom and Ken, when we say tired, so it means that we are sleepy. So, like this girl, is she tired? Yes or no? Is she tired? Yes or no?
Yes, she is.
Very good.
That
Yes.
is.
Very good. So those are the things that we can answer by this question. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, he isn't. Okay, let's see.
No. No, he isn't.
Okay, let's say it all together. Let's say, yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
No, she isn't.
No, he isn't.
Okay, very good. So again, let's review the things that we had last time for the feelings that we have. So let's proceed to this one. Okay, let's again review. Before we play a game, let's review.
Oh, người lạ.
Is she sick?
Người lạ. Yeah. Yes, she is.
Very good. Wow, good job, Ken. Yes, she is. Very good. Next.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Not no, I'm not. We answer it by yes or no. Next.
No.
Okay, next is is he sick? Yes or no? Is he sick?
No, he's right.
Okay, let's say if we answer no, we will say no, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
Very good. Is he excited? Is he excited? Ye-
Yes, he is.
Very good. So yes, he is. Good job, Kian. How about Tom? Is he excited? Yes or no?
I am.
Yes, he is. Okay, one more time. Let's say yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer. Not no, I'm not. No, I can. So yes, he is because our subject is he or she. So it depends on the people or the person. If it's a boy or if it's a girl. If it's a boy, we use he. If it's a girl, we use she. No, she isn't. No, he isn't. Okay. So
No, he isn't.
okay, next, number three. Is he tired?
Yes, he is.
Very good. Yes, he is. So he is tired. So he needs to sleep. That's why he is on his bed or he is next to his bed. Very good. So next, is he, oh, this one, number four. Is she tired? Yes or no?
No, he.
Okay. Okay, again, if
No,
we
he
have
is.
very good. So if we have a
Yes,
girl,
I am.
we say she. No, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
Okay, very good. So
No, she isn't.
very good, Tom. So no, she isn't. So she is not tired. Is she bored? Yes or no?
Yes, she is.
Very good. So yes, she is bored. She is not tired. Okay, again. So now let's again review the feelings that we have. What feeling is this? Very very good, Tom. Sick. Number two, the second feeling is what feeling is this?
Tiger.
Tired. Very
Tiger.
very good. Number three,
Boy.
bored.
Boy.
Okay, one more time. Let's say bored.
Bird.
Bored.
Bird.
Very good, very good, very good. Next, what feeling is this? What feeling? We say it now.
Ray.
Ex- excited.
Excited.
Okay. Ted. Ex-
Extend.
excited.
Excited.
Okay. Letter D. The last letter is letter D. So our sound is like the. Let's say the. Excited. The. Let's say it again. What feeling is this? Ex.
Excited.
Okay, let's say the.
Excited.
Letter D.
Excited.
Excited. Excited.
Excited.
Okay, let's still practice that one now.
Excited.
Okay, very good.
Excited.
Good job.
Excited.
So now let's play a
Excited.
bamboozle. Are you ready to play bamboozle? Okay, let's check your understanding about our lesson. So let's have a spin the wheel for us to know who will go first. So let's have Beatom. Okay, let's spin the wheel.
Anh chẳng nhiều vế to nhiều vế
Okay,
trung kiên
so
à?
who is the name that comes first? He will be the first to answer.
Tất cả
Okay.
bố đi.
So let's check who will be the first one. Hmm. Who is the first one? Is it Tom? Is it Ken? Oh, I think it's Tom. Oh, it's Tom. Yes. Wow. Okay. Tom is the team one. Team one is Tom. Okay. What do you want? Do you want quiz, classic, or classic junior? Okay. Do you want to spin the wheel also? Quiz, classic, classic junior. Okay. Let's spin the wheel. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Hmm. It's classic. Oh, classic junior. Classic Junior. Okay. We'll go with Classic Junior. Oh no, it's quiz. Oh, Classic Junior. Okay. So team one. So team one is Tom. Let's have the name first. B Tom and B Kian. Okay. Choose a number, Tom.
Ten.
Number 10. This one?
No.
What number?
Seven.
7. Okay. Number 7. Oh no. -5. Okay, next Ken.
One.
Number 1. Oh, oh no. -3. Okay, Tom, just a number.
No.
4.
Then
Okay. What is the girl feeling?
I'm sad.
I'm sad. I'm not.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Wow. Next,
Two.
3. Number 3. Okay. Is she tired?
Yes, he is.
Oh, he or she.
Yes. Yes.
He or she.
Yes, she.
Yes, she.
Yes, she is.
Very good. So again, remember, Ken, we will use she if it's a girl. We will use he if it's a boy. Very good. Good job. Next number, Tom. What number? Number 12? 10. This one?
That
Oh. What is Mike feeling? Is Mike excited, tired, bored, or sick? What is the feeling that we feel if we are sleepy? Sick, tired, bored, excited. What is the feeling that we feel when we are sleepy?
tired.
Okay, again, let's read the full sentence. Mike, Mike, let's read.
My
Is
tired.
very good. It's tired. Very good. Wow, 2 points. Okay, next kid.
Nine.
Number 9. Okay. What is this feeling that we need to drink water?
I am Justin.
Oh, very good. I'm not. I'm not.
I'm not hungry.
Very good. Wow, 3 points. Good job. Okay, next next number.
Two.
Number 2. Okay. Are you cold? Yes,
Yes,
I am.
am.
Okay. Yes, I. Are you sure? Yes, I am.
That.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. So yes, I am. Oh, 5 points.
Mami.
Next number, Ken.
Six.
Number
Six.
8. A
Six.
6.
Cho
6.
điểm đi. Cho điểm.
Wow, very
Wow.
good.
Kìa. Kìa. Chi da da. Da da da.
Okay, next number. It's okay.
Five.
Goodbye.
Yes.
Are you hot?
That I am.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Yes, I am. Okay, next. Number
11.
11.
11.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no, lose 5 points. Oh no, it's okay. We still have many numbers. Number Tom,
12.
12. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Julie is excited, sick, tired, or bored? Sick.
Boy.
Uh,
Boy.
okay, let's see. Let's read the sentence. Julie.
Is boy.
Okay, one more time. Let's say bored.
Board.
Very good. Okay, let's check. Wow, good job. Julie is
Boy.
bored.
Eh.
Number 8. Okay.
Is.
So what is the girl feeling?
I go and not hot.
Very good. I'm cold. I'm not hot. Next, number Tom. What number? 24. This one. Okay, okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Next number. Yeah. Number Ken. What number? What number? It's okay. Number Ken. What number do you want, Ken? Do you want 13, 14, 15? Ken, oh, 15? This one? Number 15?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's check this one. Are you thirsty?
No. No. No,
Ye-
I'm not.
Very good. Wow, good job. No, I'm not. What is the girl feeling?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. What is the girl feeling? I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Okay, very good. 11 points.
23.
23.
Anh
Uh,
ơi.
Okay, is she sick?
Anh Dương ơi. No, I'm not.
Huh? No, I'm not. No, we have here she. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
Okay, very good. So again, Tom, if our subject is she, so our answer is also she. No, she isn't. Very good. So good job. 10 points for Tom. 11 points for Ken. Wow, close fight. Next number, Ken.
Number 4.
14. Okay, one more time. Let's say 14.
Yes.
Yes, let's say 14.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, this one. What feeling?
I happy. I not sad.
Okay, very good. 15 points. Next
Mẹ ơi, con giỏi hơn anh Dương tận 15 rồi.
what number, Tom? Think it-
22.
22? Sure? 22?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is Danny feeling?
Danny sick.
Danny is sick. Very good. Wow, 13.
Number 8.
Number 18. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is the
Okay.
boy feeling?
I'm hungry. I not thirsty.
Okay. Very good. Good.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. Ken. Next number, Tom.
Yes. Nukem.
What number? Tom.
16.
This one, 16? It's okay. 16? Final number? Oh, win 1 point. Okay, it's okay. Next,
Number 17.
17. This one?
Yes.
Oh no. Okay, it's okay. Next number?
21.
21. This one?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Is
Now.
he? Okay, again, our subject is he.
That he is.
Very good. Very good. So again, if our subject is he, she, we will say yes, he is, or yes, she is. Good job. 17 points. Ken, what number?
23.
23? 20 or 13?
Bye.
Oh, 13. Let's say 13. Okay. Can you act excited? How do we act excited?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. How can you show teacher how you act excited?
20. Yes, he is.
How you act excited when you are excited?
Happy.
Yes, like this. I'm happy or excited. Show it. Do it. Can you do excited? Do.
Yes.
Can you show teacher? Like this. Do it like this. Excited. Like this. Act excited. T. Oh no. Act. Let's act. Act. Do it like this. Look at teacher. Excited. Yes.
Excited.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next
Anh
number,
ra
Tom.
rồi. Thì sao? 19.
19. Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is easy. I'm.
I'm sad. I'm not cold.
Oh, very good. Wow. Oh, no. The last number is 20. Is he
Is
bored?
he bird?
Y-
Yes, he is.
Very good. Wow. Wow, good job. Good job,
Yeah.
Ken. And also good job, Tom. Very
Biết
good.
ngay là con thắng ấy bà.
Okay, do you want
Nói
to
tôi được con
play?
đó.
It's okay. Do you want to play another game for us to
Con lại
practice?
tôi được con.
Okay, let's play another one for you to practice our previous lesson.
Chơi tiếp.
Okay, so now let's choose if what will be. So let's play one. What is it? Quiz. Classic. Classic Junior. Oh, Classic Junior again. Okay. Oh, quiz. Oh, we will have quiz. 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 And who will be the first one?
Bé trung kiên bé to bé trung kiên bé trung kiên bé to bé trung kiên Trần Trung Kiên đi không bé trung kiên bé trung kiên bé trung kiên bé trung
Oh no.
Mẹ Trung Kiên.
Oh, it's
Mẹ
Tom again.
Trung
Oh no. It's Ken. Okay.
Càng tốt.
Okay, so Ken will be the first one. Okay, wait. Let me just name team
Number
one.
one.
What number?
Mẹ Trung Kiên.
Number one?
One. Yes.
Okay. Is she tired? Is she
Yes, he
tired?
is.
Very good. Yes, she is. Next, what number?
15. 18.
This one, 18?
That.
Okay. How do you feel? What is he feeling? Hmm. How do you feel it? Is the boy happy, sad, hot, cold?
That.
What is the boy feeling? Sad?
That.
Okay, how do we say it? I
I
am,
am
I am sad.
sad.
I'm not.
I'm not happy.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, 15 points.
Number
Wow.
two.
Number two. What's the feeling?
I cold.
I'm cold. I'm not.
I'm not cold.
Ah, I'm cold. I'm not.
I'm not hot.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, Tom. What number, Tom?
That. That.
Six. Six?
That.
Okay. How do you feel?
No, I'm no, I'm not.
How do you feel?
No,
Sad,
I'm not.
happy,
No.
hot, cold? How do you feel?
Happy.
I'm happy. I'm not. How
I'm
do
happy.
I'm happy. I'm not.
No.
I'm happy. I'm not.
I'm not sad.
Okay, that's how we answer, Tom. Let's say it again. How do you feel? I'm happy.
I'm happy. No sad.
I'm not. Let's say I'm not.
I'm not sad.
Very good. Good job. So I'm happy. I'm not sad. Good job. Next,
Number two.
three. Okay. Is she excited?
No, he isn't.
He or she? He or she?
Is she?
Excited?
No, she isn't.
Very good. No, she isn't. What is she feeling? She's
Brother.
okay. One more time. Let's say bored.
Boyd.
Okay, very good. Tom, next.
45 điểm rồi. Hãy đi đâu anh sao sao mà còn
What number?
phải bấm like
12?
bấm bấm
Okay. What's the feeling?
bấm mẹ
Is this happy, sad, hot, cold, thirsty, or hungry?
hungry.
Okay, very good. So let's check.
I'm hungry. No, no
I'm
hot.
not. Okay, let's say I'm not.
No, no
Uh,
thirsty.
very good. I'm not thirsty. Let's say I'm not thirsty.
I'm not no thirsty.
Okay, very good. So hungry, very good. 45 points. Next,
Number 10.
10. This one.
Yes.
Okay, how do you feel? Are you happy today? Are you sad?
Yes, I am
Okay, let's say I'm
happy.
not.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. Next number. Yeah, Tom, what
Five.
number 5?
Red.
Okay. What's the feeling? Sad, happy, hot, cold, thirsty, or hungry? What's the feeling? Happy, sad, hot, cold, thirsty, or hungry?
Happy.
Okay, very good. Good job. Happy. Next number, Ken. What number, Ken? Ken.
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. What's the feeling?
I know that.
What's the feeling?
I know that.
I'm not hot.
Yes.
What's the feeling? I'm not. Are
I
you
know
sure?
that.
No, this one, I'm not hot. What's the feeling?
Hot.
Okay, very good. So hot. Next,
Chạy đi
number
đâu 7
Tom.
5 điểm rồi. Wow, chắc còn
What number, Tom? Do you want number 4, 11, 17?
nè.
Okay. Okay, how do you feel today, Tom? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? How do you feel? Are you bored? How do you
I'm
feel?
bored.
I'm bored. I'm not. I'm
I'm
bored.
not.
I'm bored. I'm not. Happy.
I'm bored. I'm not happy.
Okay. Oh no, you are bored? Okay,
Number 4.
it's number 4. Number 4?
Yes.
Oh, again, how do you feel? How do you
I'm
feel?
happy.
I'm not.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. So next,
Đến mấy
number Tom.
mẹ ơi con gì thế này?
Number 11.
11. Left.
Okay, is he bored?
No, he isn't. He no he isn't.
What is your answer?
No, he isn't.
Okay, very good. What is he feeling? He's
He's
he's let's say excited.
excited.
Very good. Good job. Wow, 90
Number
points.
8.
Number 8. Okay, what's the feeling?
Sad.
Okay, very good. Next.
Ui, 150 điểm.
What number, Tom?
Mẹ đều
7,
150.
13,
7.
oh, 7. Oh, what's the feeling?
Thirsty.
What's the feeling?
I'm thirsty.
Okay,
No.
very good. Okay, again, let's say thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Very good. Good job. Next number,
Number 2.
13.
Yes.
Is he sick?
Yes, he is.
Okay, very good.
120.
16. 16?
Yes.
How do you feel?
Hungry.
Let's say I'm
Hungry.
not.
Thirsty.
Okay, very good. I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty. Okay, next number.
Number 5.
Oh, 15?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I
I'm not.
not go.
Okay. And for our last number, I think this one is a tie. How do you feel? I'm
Oh,
I'm cold. I'm not.
I'm not hot.
Okay, very. Oh no, we have a
Mucham
tie.
135. Wow.
We have
Wow.
a tie. Tie, tie, tie. Okay. So for our tiebreaker, so we
Wow.
have this one.
Đúng rồi. Mình được chơi nhiều.
Oh,
Mất.
do we have another game? Yeah, I think this will be the end of our game. So good job. Very good to Tom and
Mẹ ơi, ván đầu tiên con.
yes, I can see that you remember our previous lesson. So good job. So let's
Goodbye,
have another.
teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Let's have another game.
Không chơi nữa.
Do you want to
Con em
play?
không chơi nữa. Anh chơi nhé.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Teacher đừng chơi nữa. Steven, Zen,
You want to play another game?
Zen.
Okay, okay,
No.
okay. Let's play.
No.
Let's play another game. Chin, chin,
Yes.
chin.
No.
Okay,
No.
okay,
No.
another game. One last game.
Ui, ít số đây.
Okay, let's spin the wheel. Who will be the first one?
Bé trung kiên, 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 bé trung
Tôm, bái, tôm, tôm,
kiên,
tôm, bé, tôm, tôm, tôm,
bé trung, bé trung.
Oh,
tút,
it's Tom. Okay, it's Tom, number one. Okay, let's
tôm,
have. Okay, just another number. So we have three. Number 8. Hello Kitty is what? What is
is,
Hello? What is Hello
is,
Kitty?
It's
sleep,
dragon.
is
Huh?
sleep,
Is do we have sleep?
that,
What do we feel when we are sleepy?
Hello Kitty.
that,
Yes. What is the feeling when we feel sleepy? Starts with letter T. Hello Kitty is. Do we have sleep? What do we feel? What is the feeling that we feel when we are sleepy? We are.
dinner,
Hmm? We are.
Someone is asleep.
What is this word?
Dragon.
child,
Okay, very good. It's tired. Oh no. Again, when we feel sleepy, like Hello Kitty, we are tired. Okay, next. Number Ken.
Number 2.
Number 3. Oh, this way again.
Đây này.
This way again. What
cháu
is the
nhé,
feeling?
nhớ như cái heo,
Not Justin.
Okay, very good. Next, Tom. Number Tom.
7,
7.
and sad, not happy,
Very good. Next,
Number 2.
number 2.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, number Tom.
1,
Oh, this is very easy. We have it earlier. Are you cold? No,
that
I'm
I
not.
am,
Okay, yes, I am. Number
Number 6.
6. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. What are you feeling? Ah,
No, I'm not. I just did.
okay. Next. Oh no. Number 4. Oh no. Only 1 point.
Number 5.
Okay, the last one is she tired?
Yes, she is.
He or she? He or she?
Yes, she is.
Okay, wow, good job. Oh no.
Okay. Yeah.
It's okay, Tom. I can see that
What?
you both did a great job. So good job for Tom and Ken. I can see that you remember all of the things that we had learned previously. So again, make sure to review the things that we had learned. Make sure to review the words tired, excited, thirsty. Okay? Goodbye, Tom and Ken, and very good
Goodbye,
talk.
Tita.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Goodbye, Tita.
Goodbye. You also did a great job, Tom. Bye bye.